destroy.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. It's your first time stopping in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. You got any questions, leave it in the comments. I finally got the truck. I got it in the garage just about an hour or so ago. Started pulling things apart. I'm going to take a video and show you guys what we're starting off with and the direction we're going to be heading with it. And then I'll show you some goodies. We've got a Sound Digital 12K. We've got 3 D3100s and a MECHMAN 370 alternator. 30 square feet of second skin. We've got to redo powers and grounds. We've got to build a battery tray, an amp rack. We got to install the radio up front, so we got a Pioneer double din that's going to go up there. And we're going to put a battery up front. It's a whole lot of shit to do. But I'm going to go ahead and give you a basic look out of the truck, and then we'll go with the unboxings. This shit's pretty fucking sweet. I'm just going to say that. Alright guys, so as you can see, the truck's a mess. We're going to get all these wires fixed. The heater's coming out. It scares me every time. We're going to get all the wires fixed, like I said. We're building an amp rack, battery rack over here. We've got to build a tray underneath the seat for the 2 mids and highs amps. I've got to fabricate a little bit for the dash so that the double din will fit correctly and it'll look nice. What we're going to jump to is I'm going to show you the stuff we went and picked up today, so hang tight, here we go. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of unboxing. I'm going to show you some of the goodies we have to go in the Tahoe back here. We've got amps, alternators, batteries, speakers, more amps, another amp, all kinds of stuff. So let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see here, it comes in a nice black box, you know, Sound Digital, Evo 7.1. Oh, the table's falling. Let's see, as you open it, I've already opened the box once, I didn't pull out the plastic, but there's 2 more other foam pieces that go there. It's very well packaged, got nice insulation. Let's see, inside the box, what do we have? Got a nice big Sound Digital sticker. Got some paperwork. Got our Allen. Roscoe, you ain't gonna do nothing. Why are you yelling? Let's see, that's all we got in the box. Pull these off. Once we get everything unpackaged, I'll get a real close, good view of it. Let's see. Guess we're tearing it. Let's see. Put a beat and bang on it. So we got some ratings here on the bottom. Roscoe, hush, buddy. You ain't gonna do nothing anyway. Bark and ruin. 12-volt use only. Back over it. Oh my God! It's a beauty. Listen to him, guys. He's killer. Overall, very beautiful amplifier. The trash out of the way, I'll bring you guys in for a closer look. So as you guys can see here, you have your basic RCA inputs, you have your high frequency crossover, your low frequency crossover, you got your gain, your line booster, your frequency, you got your one, I'm probably going to say those are about an 8 gauge output. It's set at 1 ohm. Let's see, we got 5, 10, 15, 80, 80, 240, 620K. On this side, listen. This side, you got your battery positive, your ground, your remote, 0 gauge inputs. Nice little fancy thing are these things right here. They're hard to see. I'll take them out of the package here in a second. So we got built-in fan. And putting out enough juice to power this big bad boy, we have, with further ado, the king of the show. That, my friends, is the MECHMAN 370. For those of you that know, and those of you that don't know, that's a bad bitch. And to hold all this power that this thing puts out, we have not one, not two, but 3 D3100s, a MECHMAN 370, Sound Digital 12K. That's our substage, our power plant, and our reserve. Over here we have our mids and highs amps. We have a DD C100 4100 and a Taramps 800 by 4 right here. As you can see, all kinds of good shenanigans. Then over here we have the 800 by 4. All of this is pretty much going to power the entire system with the big mess of wires I have in here. And then we have our mids and highs, which you've seen before. We have our 4 8s, 1 2 3 4, and our 10. A big ass magnet stuck in my stand. That's one door, that's the other door, and to kill all as much vibration as I possibly can, got the baddest of the baddest right here. SECONDSKIN. We've got 30 square feet. So we're going to end up doing inside panels, doors, some roof. All it is now is just to put some work in. Our amp rack is going to go here. It's going to have the 2 batteries right here, amp sitting on top. We have the 3rd battery in the front. The dash bezel I have to cut in fiberglass just a little bit because the Tahoe itself is not made to fit a double din. It is meant to fit a din and a half. But we're going to make it work. All these wires are coming out. Everything's going to get redone. We're going to run speaker wires to the front doors once that wiring comes in. But yeah, dude, I just want to get y'all a quick look at the what we have here that's going in. We have pretty much everything now except for a few more terminals. We're going to have to get a few more slugs from Sky High. And waiting on the RCAs to come in and the speaker wire. And then everything will be here. The next step is I'm going to finish said door panels, or I'm going to stretch the mat over those. It'll probably be after Christmas for that because I got a few Christmas presents I got to put together. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when this next video comes up. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Anything you want to know, anything I could possibly help you with, I'll do my best. Just leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.